Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Ads training series. Today, we'll be talking about the concept of, and application for, brand bidding as it applies to your company. This will be our first campaign that we create, and I suggest that every company have this campaign running on all of their major search platforms that they take ads on. This is a surefire way to ensure that if a customer is searching for you, they find you. Although SEO works in the mid to long term, it is important that from day one you are shown when your business is searched. Before we get started with the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. What is brand bidding? This is the course of action taken by companies to bid on keywords that are used inside of their brand or brand slogan. It would be imperative, then, for the company to bid on the company name, company slogan, company name and slogan, and any common misspellings of their company name or slogan. These won't cost much in the infancy of your company, but as you grow and your competitors take notice, it may start to ramp up in costs. This is normal and should be treated almost as a compliment as you're doing something right to get noticed. Even Google bids on their own brand name for Google Ads. But the second ad is Wordstream telling us to stop wasting money on Google. As if. Let's set up your very first campaign today to bid on your brand. Open up your Google Ads and navigate to your campaign list. In the middle of the screen, click the plus icon and create a new campaign. For the campaign goal, we want website traffic. We're not trying to guide people to buy here. We're trying to build their trust in our company to ensure that we win the sale when they are ready and looking for us. That's the key. They must be looking for us specifically. We will be selecting the search campaign type for this campaign. Put in your web address and go to the next screen. Give your campaign an epic name. How about brand bidding? I know, I should win some kind of award for that one. So creative. Leave all networks selected. For locations, simply select the location or locations you want to be found in. I will select US only, but you may be a worldwide company and you want to be seen everywhere. For our target, we should go after people in or regularly in your targeted location. Leave exclusions the same. Languages are set to whatever language your website and ad are in. Completely up to you here. We won't be adding audiences here as we want anyone who searches for our keywords to show up. Start with a budget of $1 and set your bidding to focus on clicks. You will scale this budget with your business. If you have thousands of searches a month for your business, you'll need a higher budget than just $1 a day. At first, this is perfectly fine. Again, we have to remember we aren't setting up this campaign to make sales, we're doing this to build trust. Save and continue. We're now selecting keywords that we want to show up for. All we're doing is putting our brand name and brand slogan with common misspellings. For me, this is my last name, Humenuik. It gets misspelled 3 fairly common ways because of the silent U. I would put the 4 different spellings I would expect, click Save and Continue. If your brand name has hundreds of common misspellings, you have your work cut out for you. Do it once, you'll never have to do it again. Click Save and Continue. Time to make your ad. This is your time to make a splash with your raving fans. Typically, I put headline 1 as a business name, headline 2 as a business slogan or services offered, then headline 3 as an offer, or maybe what makes us different. For example, Humenuik Marketing. Marketing education for all, free access, forever. Then, under description, make a small pitch. You've got up to 180 characters to win over your audience. Don't sell, suggest. My description might read something like, sick of overpaying for outdated courses and marketing material? Get up-to-date training without the huge price tag. We do it all for free. Once you have your ad done, click Save and Continue. That's all there is to it. Congratulations on setting up your first ad campaign. A lot more of these are coming your way, don't worry. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.